Alright, I got something big here. Maybe it's a bass, maybe it's a catfish, maybe it's a big old crappie. I don't know. But all I know is it's big. Look at that guy. What is that? What is that? Some kind of strange looking. Oh, it's a water bug? Some kind of water bug? So just like every other trip, what I'm doing here is driving along the bridge, taking a look at the electronics, looking for some bait, and most importantly, looking for some fish. So I'm seeing bait so far, and I'm seeing a few things that I like, but I'm not quite seeing the fish just yet. But if I keep on looking, I'll probably come across some. Alright, so I had my icon ready to go, and I finally found an area that has some bait and it has some fish mixed in, so I can go ahead and press enter and it'll leave the blue X for me. That way I can come back to it. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. DJ Selfie here for Seawolf Outdoors, and I am back down on Lake Bissano to do another action-packed adventure for you guys, and hope you like it. One thing I'm doing different here today is I've got some live bait, some really small bluegill that I'm gonna put under a cork and with a crappie bomb type bait, and I'm gonna see how that works, and if it doesn't, then I'm gonna take that cork off and try on the bottom and see if I can get a bite that way. So on the last video I showed you guys how I took a small spoon and modified it and turned it basically into a crappie bomb using a regular crappie size hook on the bottom. Last time I didn't have bait, but this time I do. So when using a slip bobber, always test it first to make sure it's sliding down to your target depth. So after several tries with the bobber and the live bait at about 3 or 4 feet down, I decided to go ahead and take that bobber off and try a little bit deeper, about 7 or 8 feet down.
There's one running with it. Got him. All right, first fish on the live bait.
And unfortunately, that was the only one. So here I'm back to jigging the hand tides. As you can see here, I dropped my line depth to about 1 foot deeper, and it immediately made a difference. Sometimes it's minor details like that that can catch you a fish. So I finally figured out a pattern. At least I think so.
Another one. Black crappie. That is a good one right there. Let's check his length. Probably around a 13-inch fish. Good fish. So it seems like I've found a little stack up here. I've already caught about 4 from this one spot. Pretty fish. All right, I got something big here. Maybe it's a bass, maybe it's a catfish, maybe it's a big old crappie. I don't know. But all I know is it's big. And it doesn't want to give up. So I'm just gonna have to let it swim itself out. Let him fight. Man, he's all over the place. This got to be a bass or something. Oh yeah, it's a bass. Whew. Woo! Nice big old bass. Yeah. Yep, gonna need the net for that one. That is a netter special right there. Almighty. Look at that bass on a crappie jig. Wow. Oh my God, I gotta weigh this one. Whoa. That is a good one. Look at that jig. Got him right in the top of the mouth. And let me see if I can get myself out of here. Yeah. Right up against that pylon too. That is a fish. That is a fish right there. Probably about a 5-pounder maybe. And he ate that jig too. Good Lord. All right, let's get a, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. He is at least about 19 inches. And let's see if we can get a weight on him. Bust out these bad boys. If I can get my scale working right. Okay, here we go. Not as big as I thought. Not the 5-pounder that I thought he was, but he's all of 4.05. That is a good fish too. Pretty good. Good fish. Oh, thought I popped my line. Short but stocky. There's one. Good one. No, a little smaller than I thought. Still a good fish. Good little tugger. He was barely hooked. So what we've got here is shallow water that drops off really quickly, and when it drops down to about 6 to 8 feet, which is where it's at right now, that's about where they hit it. And all you got to do is just put a little pause on it, and they hit it. Not every time, but pretty often. Oh, thought I had one. Felt good for a second. Nice little 12-incher. They haven't stopped biting. Another bluegill. That's when you know the fish are aggressive that's on a given day.
Well guys, there you have it. Another great day on the water. Sun's going down, so I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. But I just want to say thanks for making it all the way to the end of my video. It was a great day. Caught 19 keepers and several smaller ones thrown back to go get bigger. The methods that worked the best was jigging, the hand tides, and the plastics. Swimming the plastics worked as well. Those were the best techniques. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get off the water. But I just want to let you guys know that I will keep on making some videos for you guys. If y'all enjoy them, go ahead and hit that like button and think about subscribing. That way you can watch my future videos. And I will see you guys on the next one. And just remember, you never know until you go.